Hello everybody, Kim here, and I am checking out and unboxing this new rock tumbler by KomeStone, specifically a rock tumbler for kids. They did send me this as a promotion, so we're going to give it a go. This all-in-one kit includes everything that you need. And so let's take a peek, unbox this all, and see what we're working with. I may be a little bit biased, but they offered me to try this out, and so we're going to give it a try. Package includes, again, everything that you need to get started for your first rock tumbling, so there's no extra materials needed to buy. We've got our grit, we've got some extra tools in here, probably some extra belts, because let's face it, rock tumblers do a lot of tough work, and they'll need maintenance every now and then. Strainer for washing your rocks, very useful. I have 3. And let's see if we can get into the proper bulk of this. Very well packaged, I must say. Alright, so, got a cute little cover here. I assume for noise reduction. Pop that out. Got our barrel, with rocks included. And then we've got our base. Very simple, has full timer controls, 3 speed controls, works up to 9 days. I assume like the rest of their products, which I have turned off so that you can actually hear me talking in this video, because when these are running, they are a little bit noisy, but you know what? That's rock tumbling. They're actually much quieter than I expected them to be. And the cool thing, satisfaction guaranteed. If you send them this, scan that code, and with your every order from KomeStone that you get, they will send you a free welcome kit, which includes extra belts and tools for when you inevitably need to change out your belts, because they will need to be changed. So I'll pop this open and see what rocks we got. Alright, so again, very padded, very well protected, so will not get broken in shipping. Unfortunately, holding this with one hand while trying to extract it from an envelope is not possible. 1 second. Okay, success. So this is the tumbler barrel. This is a very simple tumbler barrel, but again, this is for a kid for kids, so this is meant to be small, it's meant to be compact. I love the design that they have for the caps because they work very well. This is also going to take 2 hands. So, all made of rubber. If I'm not mistaken, if they're using the same rubber that they use in the big boys, this is recycled tire rubber. It's very durable. I have not had any problems with my tumblers I've had running. And there's our rocks. They come right there in the tumbler barrel. Everything you need to get started on your first tumble. It's easy. Just throw your rocks in there, add some water, throw in your first grit, come back to it in a week. And that's it. I'll throw this all together, make sure that it's all working. I think overall, though, this is a fantastic product. This is definitely a cute gift for kids, and I'm probably going to donate this, if I'm being completely honest, because I already have enough rock tumblers, and I have a pretty good idea of where this could be put to better use. Overall, the kit that comes with it has a pretty good selection of rocks, which are now on the floor, but that's fine. We've got some rose quartz, we've got some jaspers, we've got some obsidian, and so a really good mix overall. These all turn into phenomenal rocks, and having used KomeStone's products before, I know that these can turn into gorgeous rocks, even with a little starter kit like this for kids. As long as you treat them right, follow the instructions, they'll look fabulous. So how do you do this whole tumble thing? Pretty easy. Put the rocks in. We'll pretend I'm actually putting the rocks in. Add the water. Add your grinding media. Put on the lid. Put on the cap. Screw it down real good. And away you go. Get this thing plugged in and make sure that it actually works. All right, got it all plugged in. Uh-oh. Houston, we have a problem. Okay, that one was on me. It wasn't plugged in all the way. It works fine. It works fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I just didn't push in the plug all the way. That's on me. Listen how quiet that is. I turned off all of my other tumblers so that you could listen to this thing run. This is how it actually is. And mind you, there is still a bag full of rocks in this barrel. That's as loud as it is. It's so quiet. It's so much quieter than their other units. So this is phenomenal for parents who are worried about small spaces. If you've got, an apartment living with kids, you won't even notice it's running. Put on the lid correctly. Has a gap for a reason, Kim. Again, if you're smarter than the kit, which I am not, it's great. Weirdly, I think it's actually quieter without the lid on. Well, your mileage may vary. Either way, I think this is a great kit to get started with.